Hi everyone. Okay, so welcome back to the channel. This week I'm making a pea and pancetta soup. This soup is perfect for this time of year. Obviously with summer just around the corner, the nice weather starting to come in. This soup is very kind of light and vibrant, but it's also very nutritious, packed full of flavour, and also very simple to make. So we're going to dive straight in. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cook our pancetta, get that nice and crispy. So start off, get your pan on nice and hot. Go in with a splash of olive oil. Then we're going to go in with our pancetta, which has been cubed up. And we're just going to cook this down until it goes nice and crispy. Okay, so once the pancetta's gone nice and crispy, we're just going to remove the pancetta from the pan, but we're going to leave the fat in there, okay? Just remove that and set that to the side. Okay, so once all the pancetta is removed, we're just left with the fat. We're just going to cook our onions now. So I've got one whole white onion which has been thinly sliced. In with that. And we're just going to cook these down until they go nice and soft. Okay, so once the onions have been cooking down for a few minutes, we're also going to go in with a little bit of butter, about a tablespoon of butter as well. And I've also got 4 cloves of chopped garlic. We'll go in with that now as well. Don't put the garlic in at the start, because if you do, it'll just burn. And when the garlic burns, it just goes bitter, and we don't want that. So the garlic's just gone in. We'll give that about another minute to cook down. Okay. Okay, so the onions have now been cooking down for a good few minutes. They've gone nice and soft, which is what we want. So we're just going to go in now with our chicken stock. And we're just going to let this come up to a boil. Okay. Okay, so once the stock has now come up to a boil, what we want to do is we want to go in now with our peas. So straight in with the peas. And we don't want the peas to be in here too long. We don't want to cook too long because they're going to lose their colour otherwise. So what we do is we bring it back up to a simmer, then we're just going to turn the heat off, then we're going to blend it up, and that should keep the colour. Okay, so our peas have now come up to a nice simmer. So we're now just going to turn off the heat and we're going to blend this up. So we're just transferring our peas into our blender, then we're just going to blend these up. Okay, so once our peas are blended up, we're just going to transfer this back into the pan. Then we're just going to put this back on the heat. Okay, so we've got our soup back on the heat, and we've got one more ingredient to go in, and that is just some double cream. Just going with that. This will just give the soup a little bit of creaminess and also a little bit more consistency. Okay, so once your soup's nice and hot, we're just going to just quickly check this for some seasoning. It just needs a little bit more salt, but not too much. Obviously the pancetta is quite salty, but just a little bit. Okay, and that's us ready. And I've just topped the soup off with the crispy pancetta and a splash of double cream. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give this recipe a go. Also, if you are liking my videos, please just hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate that, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.